beach is amazing! I can't wait to play in the sand.
Let's have the best beach day ever!
Meow. Look at Milo! He's so funny. He loves the soft sand.
Smile, everyone! I'm taking a picture.
Meow. Our sandcastle is so big! I'll decorate it with shells.
Great teamwork, everyone!
Don't move, Dad! You're a funny sand mountain.
I can't wiggle my toes.
Meow. I'm the sand princess. You look amazing.
Princess Emma rules the beach.
The wave is coming. Castle.
Don't worry, we'll build another one.
Wow, this so shiny. I found a star-shaped shell.
Let's collect our favorite shells.
Meow. Look, a tiny crab. How?
Be gentle, Milo. The little crab is saying hello.
Meow. Catch the beach ball. I'm coming.
Great teamwork! Catch the frisbee!
I almost got it. Milo touched it first. Milo looks like a little chef.
That's so funny.
Meow.
Let's enjoy our picnic together.
Wow, the dolphins are jumping. They're so beautiful.
Let's wave hello to them.
I found a heart-shaped shell. It's the prettiest shell today.
Let's keep it as a special memory.
Meow. Let's go play over there. I can't wait to play again.
Let's make today even more fun.
Wow, Milo found a bucket. Meow. It was hiding under the sand.
I wonder who left it here.
Our turtle is so big. Let's decorate its shell.
Fantastic teamwork, everyone.
The turtle said hello to the ocean. The waves are tickling my feet.
Our sand turtle is still standing. Let's see who finds the prettiest seashell.
I found a shiny white shell. Look, Milo found a beautiful spiral shell. A bottle came from the sea. Let's read the note inside.
It's a kind message for everyone.
Is this your kite? Yes, thank you so much.
Helping others makes every day brighter.
Our castle needs one more tower. I'll decorate the bridge with seashells.
Everyone is doing an amazing job.
My kite is flying so high. My butterfly is dancing. Wow, it's a tiny ocean. Look at the little starfish.
We watch the sea animals, but we don't touch them.
Meow. Look, it sparkles like a little jewel. It's so smooth and pretty.
The ocean made this beautiful sea glass.
I can hear the ocean. Let me listen too.
Every seashell has its own special story.
Meow. Look, a feather is dancing. Achoo! It landed on Milo's nose.
Let's let the wind carry it home.
Today was the best beach adventure ever. I'll always remember this day.
Wonderful memories stay in our hearts forever.
I can't wait to play the games. This is going to be so much fun.
Remember, the best prize is having fun together.
Run, Emma! We can do it! My bucket is almost full.
Great teamwork! Keep going!
Meow! Pull together! We're so strong. Meow!
Keep pulling! Great teamwork! doing an amazing job!
I have to keep my ice cream steady. I can do it without dropping it.
Slow and steady. You're doing great! Let's follow the map together.
Milo found the... Look at all the colorful treasures.
The best treasure is our happy family.
Meow. Follow the arrows. I think this is the right way.
Let's stay together.
Meow. My chocolate ice cream is delicious. I love my strawberry cone.
Let's enjoy this sweet treat together. 2, 3, lift!
Lift it up high. It looks like a giant rainbow. Meow, meow. Let's dance together. This is so much fun.
Everyone is a great dancer.
I'm proud of my medal. I love my special award.
I'm proud of all of you.
This is the perfect camping spot. I can't wait to sleep by the beach.
Let's build our cozy camp together.
Milo, you're sitting on the tent. He wants to help us.
Our campsite is ready.
Meow. Meow. Look at the glowing lights. They look like tiny stars.
Let's enjoy them gently from here.
Meow. The campfire feels warm and cozy. I love sitting by the fire.
Nothing is better than a family camping night.
Meow. My marshmallow is golden.
Great job! Let's enjoy our treats together.
My campfire treat looks yummy. Look, a shooting star. I'm making a happy wish.
What a beautiful night together.
Look at the little owl. It has such big eyes.
Let's watch quietly and let it feel safe.
The waves are glowing blue. They look so magical.
Nature is full of wonderful surprises.
This seashell shines in the moonlight. It's the prettiest shell I've ever seen.
The ocean gives us beautiful treasures to admire.
I can see so many stars. That bright star is beautiful.
The night sky is full of amazing wonders.
Good morning. Continuous sunrise is amazing. The sky has so many beautiful colors.
What a perfect way to start the day.
Wow, the dolphins are jumping.
What a wonderful morning surprise.
I'll always remember our beach adventure. Let's come back in someday.
Thank you for making wonderful family memories.
Wow, this island is amazing. Look at all the colorful flowers.
Let's explore the island together.
Look at that colorful parrot. It has beautiful feathers.
Let's enjoy watching it quietly.
Those coconuts are so high.
We always collect them safely.
The coconut water is cool and yummy. The flowers smell wonderful. Look at the beautiful butterfly.
We enjoy nature by protecting it.
The water is so clear. I can see the tiny fish.
A clean stream helps animals live happily.
They walk sideways. The little crabs are so funny.
Let's watch them without disturbing their home.
Meow? Look at the beautiful rainbow. The waterfall is amazing.
Sunlight and water make a wonderful rainbow.
Meow. Look at all the tropical fruits. My favorite is the sweet mango.
Fresh fruit is a wonderful island treat.
I found a tiny golden key. I wonder what it unlocks.
Let's follow the star trail and find out.
found the island treasure! I love my friendship bracelet!
The best treasure is sharing happy moments.
The ocean looks endless from here. I can see a sea turtle.
What a beautiful view to remember.
Goodbye, beautiful island. I'll never forget this adventure.
Every journey gives us wonderful memories.
The mountain looks so big. I love the fresh mountain air.
Let's enjoy our mountain adventure together.
We're so high above the forest. I can see the tiny river below.
The mountain view is amazing from up here.
Look, the squirrel found a pine cone. It's so fluffy and cute.
Squirrels are busy little forest helpers.
Meow. The flowers are so colorful. The butterflies are dancing.
Let's enjoy the flowers and help protect them.
The waterfall is so cool and refreshing. I can feel the tiny water drops.
Mountain waterfalls help keep nature healthy.
The deer is so gentle. It looks peaceful.
We watch wild animals quietly and respectfully.
Look how high the eagle is flying. It looks so strong and graceful.
Eagles can see amazing distances from the sky.
This bridge is so exciting. I can see the stream below.
Walk slowly and enjoy the beautiful view.
These berries look beautiful.
We only admire wild berries unless we know they are safe.
I like learning about mountain plants. We're almost at the top. The mountains look so beautiful.
Every step brings us closer to the amazing view.
This is the most beautiful sunset I've ever seen. The sky looks like a painting.
Moments like this become memories forever.
I've never seen so many stars. I saw a shooting star.
The mountain sky is full of wonderful surprises.
This mountain adventure was incredible. I'll always remember these beautiful mountains.
Every adventure becomes a precious family memory.
Meow.